In 1540, Pope Paul III approves the Society of Jesus. At the request of King John III of Portugal, the Pope asks Ignatius to send 2 companions to India.
The harvest is plenty, the laborers are few. Nicholas is sick, who will fill his shoe?
Ignatius chooses Simon Rodriguez and Nicholas Bobadilla, but Nicholas gets sick and cannot go. After praying, Ignatius thinks of Francis Xavier, his closest friend, knowing the departure means they will never see each other again. Will Francis accept the mission to India?
Francis, my Francis, should I ask him? Should I ask him? Will he step up and spread the good news? Father, I'm ready, with heart strong and true, to be Christ messenger, His work I'll do.
Francis accepts going to India as God's plan. To embrace God's plan, are you ready?
Father, I'm ready, with heart strong and true, to be Christ messenger, His work I'll do.